Hi, in this video I am going to discuss about 1 bit, 2 bit and 4 bit magnitude comparator and its design. What is magnitude comparator? A magnitude comparator is a combinational circuit that compares two numbers A and B and determines their relative magnitudes. Generally, comparator will produce three outputs. The outputs are A less than B, A equal to B and A greater than B. This is the basic for the comparator. First, let's discuss about single bit magnitude comparators. A comparator is used to compare two single bits, that is two numbers. Each of single bit is called a single bit comparator. It consists of two inputs for allowing two single bit numbers and three outputs to generate less than, equal and greater than outputs. First, let's design the single bit comparator. The two single bit inputs are considered as A and B, and the outputs are A greater than B, A equal to B and A less than B. The two inputs we are making four possible combinations. The four possible combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now, first combination 0 and 0. Here A equal to B. So the A equal to B output is 1. Now 0, 1. 0, 1, A is high. So A greater than B output is high. The remaining two outputs are low. Now 1, 0, B is high. So A less than B is high. Remaining two outputs are 0. Now 1, 1, A and B is 1, 1. So A equal to B. So the A equal to B is 1. The remaining two outputs are low. So now these are the truth table for the single bit magnitude comparator. Now from this single bit magnitude comparator, the output for A equal to B is the A bar B bar plus AB. That is written as A bar B bar plus AB. It's equal to A exclusive NOR with B. Now A less than B equation is the corresponding inputs are A bar B, and A greater than B, the corresponding output is A B bar. So these are the output for A less than B, A bar B, A greater than B, A B bar, and A equal to B, A exclusive NOR B. So this is the logic diagram designed for these logical expressions. So this is the design for single bit magnitude comparator. Now let's see about 2-bit magnitude comparators. This magnitude comparator is one of the useful combinational logic circuit and has wide applications. It compares two 2-bit binary numbers that are A and B. The first bit is A. It has 2-bit A1 A0, and the second input is B. It has two inputs B1 and B0. So it compares two 2-bit binary numbers and determines one number is greater than, less than or equal to the another number. It is a multiple output combinational logic circuit. The truth table for magnitude comparator. It's a 2-bit magnitude comparators. So with that total 4 input bits are there. That's our A1 A0, B1 B0. With this 4 input bits, we can able to make 16 combination, that is 0 to 15. Total 16 combinations we can make in the truth table. Now the outputs are A greater than B, A equal to B and A less than B. Now let's see how we can define the outputs. So when A1 A0 is 0 0 and B1 B0 is 0 0, this condition A is equal to B. Similarly A1 1 1 1, these conditions A is equal to B. Now A1 A0 is 1 0 and B1 B0 is 0 1. In this condition, in binary 1 0 is greater than 0 1. So in this condition A is greater than B. Now let's see, 0 1 is less than 1 0. That means 1 0 is greater. So this condition for A less than B. So based on this conditions, we are writing the output expressions for the three outputs. So the first condition, both are 0 0, the A equal to B is 1. Now for the second condition, input B is greater, so A less than B is high. And in this condition, 0 1 is greater, that is A is greater, so A greater than B is 1. So like this, all 16 combinations are designed. Now from the truth table, we are getting the SOP expressions for A greater than B, A equal to B and A less than B. Now the SOP expressions are reduced by using the 4 variable K-map. Now proper grouping of the K-map for the 3 expressions, we got the reduced expressions. These A equal to B combinations or single grouping, that's it's not grouping with other cells, so the expression is not simplified. So we can get the simplified expression for A equal to B by using Boolean algebra. Here we are simplifying A equal to B expression by using Boolean algebra. Then finally we got the expression for A equal to B is A naught exclusive NOR with B naught and A1 exclusive NOR with B1. And the remaining A less than B and A greater than B expressions are as it is. Now this is the logic diagram for the logical expression, and this is A less than, A greater than B, this is A equal to B, and this is A less than B in logical diagrams. 4-bit magnitude comparator. So here two 4-bit numbers are compared. The two 4-bit numbers are binary input A and binary input B. The first 4-bit number is A0, A1, A2, A3 and second input is B0, B1, B2, B3. And the outputs are A less than B, A equal to B, A greater than B. So generally for n-bit numbers, 2 power 2n entries are present in the truth table. So it will be very lengthy and difficult to find the logical expressions. So some standard techniques are applied to find n number of bits. Generally, the comparison starts from the MSB bit. Usually addition, subtraction, we will start with the LSB bit. But the comparison, we used to start with the MSB bit. So, for example, these two 4-bit numbers. First one is 8 and second is 4. Now, A3 is 1 and B3 is 0. So, from this itself, we can decide which number is higher. So, A is greater than B from this itself. So, the expression for this bit is A3 B3 bar and A greater than B. So, next stage, same way, we are starting the comparison with MSB bit. So, 0, 1. So, from this B is greater. So, we can write A less than B. So the expression at this point is A3 bar B3. Now A2 and B2 bit comparisons. So when these A3 and B3 numbers are equal, then we are going to compare with the second higher order bit. The second higher order bit is A2 and B2. Now the A2 is now A2 is higher, then we are writing A2 with A is greater than B. So for this combinations, the expression is A2 bar and A2 and B2 bar, that is written here. So when this combination it will go is when A3 and B3 is equal. A3 and B3 is equal. The expression is E3. This condition, this is for equal of A3 and B3, and A to B2 bar is for this conditions. So this is for A to B2 comparisons. So now A is greater than B means this A3 B3 bar equations exist. Now let's see another example for A less than B. Here also the when A3 is equal to B3, then we are going to compare with A2 and B2. So now here A2 is low and B2 is high. So we are writing the expression at this point is A2 bar B2 with the equal of A3 and B3 is E3. So now A less than B expression is A3 bar and B3. Similarly, we are going to compare for A1 and B1 bits. So A1 and B1 bits when we are going to compare is when A3 is equal to B3, A2 is equal to B2, A1 is equal to B1, then only we are going to compare with A0 and B0. When A0 is higher, then we can say A greater than B. So from this the expressions we can write it as A3 B3 bar plus E3 A2 B2 bar plus E3 E2 A1 B1 bar plus when we will go for A0 and B0 bit is when the first three bits are higher, that is E3 E2 E1 is equal, then we are going to compare with A0 B0 bar. Now A is less than B for A0 B0 bit combinations. When A3 is equal to B3 and A2 is equal to B2, A1 is equal to B1, that condition we are going for A0 B0 comparison. So here from this A0 is low and B0 is greater. So from this we can say B is greater than A. So for this B is greater than expression is E3 E2 E1 A0 bar B0. If A3 is equal to B3, A2 is equal to B2, A1 is equal to B1 and A0 is equal to B0, then A is equal to B. So A3 is equal to B3, the expressions are E3 plus E2 plus E1 plus E0. So from this we can say A is equal to B. Now A is equal to B. The expressions are A3 x nor B3 into A2 x nor B2 into A1 x nor B1 and A0 x nor B0. A greater than B expression is A3 B3 bar plus E3 A2 B2 bar plus E3 E2 A1 B0 bar plus E3 E2 E1 A0 B0 bar. Now A is less than B. The expressions are A3 bar B3 plus E3 A2 bar B2 plus E3 E2 A1 bar B1 plus E3 E2 E1 A0 bar B0. This is the logic diagram for the 4-bit magnitude comparator with 3 outputs, A less than B, A greater than B and A equal to B. Thank you.